A very good morning, one and all. Welcome to third standard maths class. Regarding the third standard, in the previous class we have discussed about exercise 1.2. Total 7 mains we have discussed in the previous class. Regarding the total 7 main, I given HWO. Some of the students send the HWO to the WhatsApp and some of them not completed the HWO. Compulsory you have to complete the HWO. Okay. Today in this class we are going to discuss about that is comparison of numbers. Clear? Number comparing with number. Listen here. While comparing numbers, we have to use, there are three symbols: equals to, greater than, or lesser than. Greater than or lesser than and equals. These are the three symbols we are used to compare the numbers. Clear? Regarding the comparing the first symbol, that is equals. Clear? Equals. Now listen here, when we have to use equals, the two numbers are same. For example, I am going to comparison with number 19. Now this is a 2-digit number. Now it is a one box. Another one it is a 19. Now I am going to compare with two numbers, that is 19. Another one is also 19. Both the numbers are same. Clear? Both the numbers are same. That time we have to compare with symbol that is equals. 19 and 19 both are same. That means 19 is equal to 19. Now this is the one symbol regarding the comparison of numbers. Now listen here. 179. Another one number, it is also 179. Again we are going to comparison between the two number. The two number is same. That time we have to use equals to. Clear? Understood? That time we have to use equals. That means the comparison can be done by using the three symbol. The first symbol is equals. When we have to use equals, nothing but both the numbers are same. Clear? Both the numbers are same. That time we have to use equals. You can take another example. 2459. Now we have to comparison with 2459. Clear? 2459 and 2459. Regarding the third example, we are going to compare with 4 digit. Here both the 4-digit number is same. That means equals. Understood? When we have to use equals, that means both the numbers are same. That time we have to use equals. Clear? Then afterwards we are using greater than. Another one is lesser than. These are two another symbols. Clear? Total 3 symbols we are used in the comparison of the number. One, you are clear. Regarding in your CWO, write the heading comparison of numbers. In down, just to write the one sentence. That is, while comparing the numbers, we use equals, greater than and less than. Clear? Greater than, another one is less than. This is symbol, it is greater than. Now this is less than. When we have to use greater than, another one is lesser than. I will give one simple trick. Clear? I will give very simple trick. That trick you have to remember. Adu nenpidkonbitre you can easily use the greater than, another one is lesser than. Clear? At a time I will explain both the symbol. One is greater than symbol, another one is lesser than symbol. ಈ ಎರಡು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I will give one simple technique. Clear? Using that simple technique, you can easily put the symbol regarding the comparison of numbers. Now listen here. I will take first one digit number. First it is 5. Box. And 9. Clear? 5 and 9. You already know that comparing with 5 and 9, 5 is small number. Clear? 5 is chick number, it is small number. And 9 it is big number. Clear? 9 it is big number and 5 it is small number. Understood? Now, which symbol we have to use? Or greater than symbol, another one is lesser than symbol. That makes more confusion for many students. Clear? Using one trick. Now listen here. You compare these symbols. This is greater than, this is lesser than. Okay na? ಈಗ greater than lesser than ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. The both symbol have one point, one arrow mark. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಮೂತಿ, ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇದು ಈ ಮೂತಿ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಈ ಮೂತಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್. ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. towards it is small number. Clear? Small number ಕಡೆ ಮೂತಿ ತಿರುಗಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Clear? Regarding to 5, another one is 9. 5 is small number and 9 is big number. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೂತಿ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು? That sharp edge, it is towards 5 side. The answer is like this. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 5 it is small number. Sharp edge ಈ ತರ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದು. How to read? 5 less than 9. Clear? 5 less than 9. Clear? Now this is less than greater than. Don't confuse. Just you follow this trick. Understood? ಈ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ you can neatly understand the how to put regarding the comparison of the number. Equals, it is very easy when two number have same, that time we are using equals. Clear? Other than equals, here 5 is small number and 9 is big number. ನೋಡಕ ಈ ಮೂತಿ small number ಕಡೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. That means 5 less than 9. Understood? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಬಂತು? 5 9ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು. Understood? I will give another example, that is 2 digit number 16, another one is 12. Box. Now this is also very simple. Correct? 16 and 12. You can easily identify one digit and two digit number. You already know. In 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, I will give one simple idea. Clear? First listen this one. 2 digit number. 16, another one is 12. Clear? You already know that 12 it is a small number. 16 ಮತ್ತೆ 12 ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 12 16 ಗಿಂತ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. That means 16 it is big number compare with 12. Correct? ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ? ಶಾರ್ಪ್, ಅದ್ರ ಮೂತಿ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು? That sharp edge, it is towards the small number. Here small number it is 12. Sharp edge ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಬರ್ಕೋ? This is like this. How to read? 16 greater than 12. Here 5 less than 9. This is less than symbol, don't confuse. it is greater than symbol. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Just you remember this arrow mark. This arrow mark, it is always towards the small number. Clear? It is always towards the small number. I will give another one example regarding the 3-digit number. One is, but I will give two number. Afterwards, come to 3-digit number. 93 box 97. 93, 97. But regarding the comparison with 93 and 97, which is small number, you have little bit confusion. Clear? Don't make any confusion regarding the identification of small number and big number. First come to last digit. The last digit is 9. Here also last digit. The last digit is 9. Both are 9 means we cannot identify which is small number and which is big number. That means shift to next digit. Here the next digit is 3. Here the next digit is 7. That means 3 ಮತ್ತು 7 ಎರಡು digit ನ comparison ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು small digit, 7 it is big digit. That means 3 small digit ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ total it is a small number. Now it is a big number. Like that we are comparing with 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, like that. Okay, I will show one example for all. Okay, that means 93 it is small number and 97 it is big number. Now what is the arrow mark? It is towards the small number. Ali arrow mark 93 kade barbeku. That means this is the answer. Understood? That means 93 is less than 97. Clear? Like that, we have to use the 3 symbol. One is equals to, greater than, another one is lesser than. Understood? Now, I will give some idea to how to identify the small number and big number. Now listen here. That one don't want in your CW. Just remember in your mind. The first one. See, one type. It is a one clue I will give today regarding the comparison of numbers. What is that first one? See here. Here the first number is 943. Okay na? And second one is 9435. These are the two numbers. One digit number and two digit number. You can easily understood. It is already you know in the first and second standard. Clear? Regarding the 3-digit number and 4-digit number, we are going to discuss regarding this chapter, that is in the comparison of number. Clear? Here the first digit is 943. Here the second digit is, second number is 9435. Regarding these two numbers, which is big number and which is small number, that you have to identify. Clear? First, I will give a step by step. You have to identify the big number, another one is small number. Regarding the identification, first thing you have to check that number of digits. Clear? Number of digits. See here, regarding the first number, the total number of digit is 3. 1, 2, 3. The total number of digit is 3. Regarding the first number. Now we come to second number. The total number of digit is 4. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bari digit na count ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is the first step. Regarding the identification of small number, another one is big number. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Because regarding the first number, it contains only 3 digits. Regarding the second number, it contains 4 digits. That means 4-digit number, it is a big number comparing with 3-digit number. That means this is small number and this one it is big number. We come to know that regarding the counting of the digit. After counting of the digit, here it is a total 3 digit, here it is a total 4 digit. That means 4 digit is a big number comparing with 3 digit. Therefore, it is a small number and this one is a big number. How to put symbol? Clear? You already know that arrow mark it is towards small number. Therefore, answer is like this. This is the arrow. That means 943 is less than 9435. This is the one type of first identification. Clear? Understood all of you? First, by counting the digit. Regarding second parana, this is the first type. Understood all of you? This is the first one. This one don't want in your CW. Just only one sentence it is enough regarding the comparison of number. The next second type of observation, see here. Second type of observation here, that is now I will write again another two numbers. Again we are going to compare with two numbers. Clear? First step regarding the comparison of number. First count the number of digits. Clear? Here the total number of digits is 4. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also the total number of digits is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Regarding the previous example, the first number it is 3 digit and second number it is 4 digit. You can easily come to know that 3 digit number is a small number and 4 digit number it is a big number. But regarding the second example, it is also 4 digit number and second number is also 4 digit number. We cannot identify that which one is the small number and which is the big number. That time what we have to do? See here. Now we come to the place value. Second thing. We come to the place value. Now this is the ones place. This is 10 place. Now it is 100 place. Now this is 1000 place. Same as it is here also. Now ones place, 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place. Correct? Regarding the comparing second step, always come to 1000 to ones place. 1000 in the ones place tanka digit na check marta bana. Simple. Understood? Digit na check marta bana. Regarding the 1000 place, what is the digit here? 5. Clear? Regarding the 1000 place, the digit is 5. Here, regarding the 1000 place, the digit is 4. Now you have to compare with the 5 and 4. Just one digit number. For one digit now compare madana. Here 1000 place it is 5. Here 1000 place it is 4. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 5 ಮತ್ತು 4 ನ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? This is the point. Nothing but arrow mark, it is towards 4. 4 it is small number and it is 5 it is big number. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 4 small number ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this total 4 digit it is a small number. Simple. Now this total 4 digit it is a big number. Correct? Now we come to identify this is 4958. It is a small number. 5496. It is a big number. Arrow mark towards small number. This is the answer. Second type. This is the two types. We have to identify the numbers. I will show another two examples regarding the same point here. I will show another one example. See here. Again 5496. 23. 5792. Here 5423 first number, 5792 it is the second number. Clear? Now again we have to comparison between two numbers. Before going to compare, just count the digit. Here also total 4 digit. Here also total 4 digit. We cannot identify that which is big number, which is small number. Next afterwards we come to places, place value. It is 1000 place. First compare with 1000. Now it is also 1000. See, now compare with here also 1000 place, here also 1000 place, both are same. Correct? 5 same. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we cannot again identify that which is small number and which one is big number. Correct? ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 1000 place ನೋಡಿದಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. That means that time what we have to do? We have to go through with which place? 100 place. Clear? Here 100 place is 4. Here 100 place is 7. Clear? That means 4, 7. Now we are going to compare with 4 and 7. 4 is small number, 7 is big number. That means 4 is the first only. Now it is a small number and it is a big number. Allige answer is like this. Like that. Understood? If 100 place is also same. Clear? I will show here directly. 5, 4, 2, 3, 5422. Here also 5432 and 33 and important. Here again 4 digit number. Here also again 4 digit number, same. Here 1000 place 5. Here also 1000 place 5. Again we cannot identify that which is small number and which is big number. We come to 100 place also 4. 100 place also 4. Again we cannot identify which is small and which is big. That time again shift to 10 place. Here 10 place is 2. Here 10 place is 3. That means 3 is big number, big digit, 2 is small digit. Answer is like this. Clear? Again, if 10 place is also 2. 10 place is also 2. That time you come with 1's place. 10 place, again 10 place, it is same. Here 1's place, it is 3. 1's place, it is 1. That means 3 is big digit, 1 is small digit. Therefore, this is a small number. Now this is a big number. Arrow mark towards like this. Correct? Now this is the comparison of numbers. Like that you have to use greater than, lesser than and equals. Regarding the comparison of number, we can arrange the numbers in two types. Arrange, nothing but. We can orderly arrangement of number one by one. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಈಗ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಹಾಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ. ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀವಿ? ಹೈಟ್ ವೈಸ್. ಯಾರು ತುಂಬ ಕುಳ್ಳಕ್ಕಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ಯಾರು ತುಂಬ ಹೈಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Like that, in numbers also, we can arrange the numbers in two types. There are two types of arrangement of number. First one is ascending order and second one is descending order. So there are two types of number. That is ascending order and second one is descending order. First type, that is, now this one you have to take down in your CW, that is ascending order. See here, ascending, ASCENDING ascending order. Now this is the first type of arrangement of numbers, that is ascending order. Then what is ascending order? The ascending order nothing but arrangement of number according to smallest to greatest number. Clear? Arrangement of number according to small number to great number. That is arrangement we are called as ascending order. Take your definition. The arrangement of numbers according to the arrangement of number according to smallest number to greatest number. Smallest number to greatest number. Smallest number, greatest number is called ascending order. Is called ascending order. Nothing but we are arrange the number simply small number to great number, greatest numbers is called ascending order. Just you can take down one example related to ascending order. See here, regarding this I will shuffle the numbers. Now see this example now. How to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order nothing but small number to big number, that you have to remember. Clear? Here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers are there. Total 8 number. Now we have to arrange these 8 number ascending order. That means ascending order nothing but small number to big number. A total 8 number which is the small number that you have to write in the first. Regarding the 8 number which is the big number, that number you have to write in last. Total 8, the small number is 1. That means 1 it comes first. Clear? After 1, see here 3. Second comes 3. Clear? After 3, see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Kotila. Next one is 9. After 9, 10. There no. 10 afterwards, 11. Here 11. 11 afterwards, 12. Then 12 afterwards, 13, not given. 14, not given. 15, not given. 16, not given. 17. 18, not given. 19. And last one is 25. Last one it is 25. See this? This is nothing but this is the ascending order. Arranging the number, small number to big number is called ascending order. In your CW, take the ascending order, take up to this. Clear? Two types. Ascending order, another one is descending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. Descending order means big number to small number. Adu ulta. So now, see here, take on this. Here next heading, that is descending order. Descending order. Same, the arrangement of numbers according to here, that is greatest number greatest number to smallest number. Smallest number is called descending order. Is called descending order. See one example here. Simple. Ascending order, reverse descending order. Regarding the ascending order, small number to big number. Regarding the descending order, big number to small number. See one example. I will give you a 3-digit number. 343, 352, 374, again 356, again 384, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Regarding the descending order, I taken 5 examples. Clear? In the previous, I just explained the how to identify the small number. Another one is big number. Here, total all the 5, it is a 3-digit number. Correct? Regarding the descending order, first you have to check the which is the big number. Correct? ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ 3-digit number. ಯಾವುದು 4 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು 5 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು 2 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು 1 number ಇಲ್ಲ. All the 5 number, it is a 3-digit number. That means which is small, which is big number, which is small number, we cannot identify. After that, 100 place, 3, 3, 3, again 3, again this one is also 3. Regarding observing the 100 place also, we cannot identify which is big and which one is small. Now come to which one? 10 place. Now you come to 10 place. Here 10 place is 4, 10 place is 5, 10 place is 7, 10 place is 5, again 10 place is 8. Correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದು 8. That means it is a big number. 1/6. First big number is 384. Correct? After 8, next come to small number 7. That is 374. Now next third ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ here also and 10 plus 5. Here also 10 plus 5. We cannot identify which is small regarding the 10 place. Now come to ones place. It is 2. Ones place. It is 6. That means it is big number. It comes third place. 556. Afterwards 352. And last one 343. Clear? Like that you have to arrange the number regarding ascending order. Another one is descending order. Today in this class we have discussed about comparison of numbers. Next class we are going to discuss about exercise 1.3. Thank you one and all.